Are you looking to offer free shipping to your customers, but don't want them to see other shipping options? In this video, I will show you how to automatically hide all other shipping methods when free shipping is available in WooCommerce. First, we need to enable free shipping in WooCommerce. Head to your WordPress dashboard. Go to WooCommerce Settings Shipping. Choose the shipping zone where you want to offer free shipping, then click Edit. Now, click Add Shipping Method and select Free Shipping. You can set conditions, like requiring a minimum order amount or a coupon. For now, I have set the cart value to 200. If the cart total is 200 or more, the free shipping method will appear on the cart and checkout pages. Next, we will add a small piece of code to hide other shipping methods when free shipping is available. To do this, go to Appearance Theme File Editor and open your functions PHP file. Now, copy and paste the following code. Once you have added the code, save your changes. You can find that PHP snippets code in video description. This code will automatically hide all other shipping methods when free shipping is available. Go to your WooCommerce store to test it out. Add an item to your cart that qualifies for free shipping. Then go to the cart and checkout page. You'll see that only the free shipping option is displayed. And that's it. You have now successfully hidden other shipping methods when free shipping is available in WooCommerce. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more WooCommerce tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.